One of the common types of cases that we've dealt with over the many years of practice is when a client is self-employed or an opposing party is self-employed. In those cases, there are unique circumstances that arise that we need to be aware of. When a litigant going through a divorce is self-employed, the first thing that you have to think about is how will that business be valued? A lot of times, the person who runs the business wants to retain it after the divorce is over. In Massachusetts, there's no clear guidelines for what a judge has to do to arrive at a conclusion of value for a business. When we get involved in a case where there's a business owned by one or more of the parties, we have to start thinking about how we're going to handle that case. And usually, we'll hire an expert right away. An expert in this field is somebody who is a business valuation expert in the realm of divorce. Is treated differently than selling a business, for example, or valuing a business outside of divorce. The reason is because the case law indicates to the judge what the expert has to look at to formulate their opinion of value. Over many years of doing this, we've cultivated a lot of resources which help us in achieving a good result when businesses are involved in the divorce case. The way that we practically handle a case where a business is involved is we map out a strategy and a plan. One of the things that we have to do is to determine what amount of discovery is necessary. A lot of times our client is the person who does not run the business and they don't have all of the information. So we need to do discovery, which is information gathering. Then we need to review all the financial data. We need to make sure that we have experts on standby. One of the things that we do from the outset is plan for trial. Even though it's not likely that the case will ever get to a trial, it's important that we start thinking strategically about what we're going to do if the case were to go to trial. If you're going through a divorce case and you own a business or your spouse owns a business, it's imperative that you contact an attorney right away. Feel free to contact us today.